After being tagged as the mastermind in the missing Sabongeros case, the camp of gambling tycoon Atong Ang breaks weeks of silence. In a statement to Billionaire News Channel, his legal team is now pointing to a supposed syndicate led by whistleblower Dondon Patidongan. Joash Malimban has this exclusive.
After weeks of silence, the camp of billionaire gambling tycoon Atong Ang, tagged as the mastermind behind the disappearance of 34 Sabongeros, has finally spoken out in an exclusive statement to Billionaire News Channel. The source, who refused to be named for now, is part of Ang's legal team. According to their own investigation, Ang is not the brains behind the missing Sabongeros, but rather a group he identified as the Patidongan Brothers Syndicate. He claimed whistleblower Dondon Patidongan was the one heading the operation with his brothers Jose and Elakim. Jose and Elakim are now in the custody of the Philippine National Police after being brought back by the CADG from Cambodia. Jose is allegedly one of the men photographed escorting a handcuffed missing Sabongero, while Elakim was seen in CCTV footage withdrawing from the ATM account of another victim in Lipa, Batangas. The source also named another brother, Rolando Patidongan, as part of the group. They further claimed that Dondon Patidongan built a network of alleged executioners, supposedly responsible for carrying out the killings of the missing cockfight enthusiasts. This, the source claimed, is where allegedly involved police officers came into the picture. In a document obtained by Billionaire News Channel, Patidongan was identified as the main man operating inside the Manila Arena, Lipa, and Santa Cruz cockpits, all properties owned by Ang. The source added that Patidongan also allegedly maintains a private army, composed of his brothers and other relatives. But Patidongan strongly denied these claims.
Nakakatawa naman siya. Ibig sabihin, ako na ngayon si Mr. Atongang at ako na ngayon ang may-ari ng mga cockpit arena at ako na ngayon ang chairman ng pitmaster.
When asked about allegations that he was paying off police to kidnap and kill the victims,
Nakakatawa siya. Kung ako ang nagutos niyan, bakit niya binigyan ng monthly si Colonel Orapan ng 2 million? Saan ako kukuha ng 2 million? Di ba siya ang pinaka big time?
Patidongan claimed there are new witnesses surfacing with evidence that could allegedly implicate Ang as the real mastermind in the case of the missing Sabongeros. Meanwhile, the PNP Forensic Group confirmed that 0 DNA profiles were extracted from the bones recovered from Taal Lake, which were believed to be possibly linked to the missing cockfighters. According to PNP spokesperson Police Brigadier General Jean Fajardo, the bones were already contaminated after being submerged in water for a long time. However, 3 DNA profiles, 2 males and 1 female, were successfully extracted from bones recovered from a cemetery in Batangas, but this did not match any of the 23 DNA samples from the families of the missing Sabongeros. Joash Malimban, Billionaire News Channel.